Nation. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. We got a Metcon today, 15-minute AMRAP. It's going to be 15 back sumo deadlift high pulls, 15 backpack single arm press. That's 15 each side. And then you'll go into back squats. Must wear it, so strap it on. And then from there, after that, you have a 300-meter backpack overhead run from there. Right, if we don't have map out at 300 meters, just go 30 seconds out, 30 seconds back. If we can't leave our house for whatever reasons, kids, all that, just do shuttle runs with your backpack, overhead. Also too, with that backpack, make sure it's a nice good backpack. If you're gonna be putting weight in there, it's gonna be bouncing around, things like that. Yeah, just make sure the strap doesn't come off or, I don't know, whatever things happen to your backpack. Before that though, we'll have a nice good warm up. It's gonna be 3-minute run. You can go 90 seconds out, 90 seconds back. Other options, can jump rope, mountain climbers, shuttle runs for that 3 minutes. And then we'll go into this 2 rounds, just 20 seconds each movement. It'll be a single arm plank. You'll hit up one side, and then after that, you'll go 20 seconds of windmills, 20 seconds of bootstraps. And then into this Metcon prep of 3 rounds. It's gonna be 5 reps of backpack deadlifts, backpack good mornings, and then some squats with your backpack. And after that, you'll just have an overhead hold with that backpack for 10 seconds on each side. So real quick, we're gonna go over those backpack movements. So for the Metcon, right, we're gonna have those sumo deadlift high pulls. There you go. Yeah, so notice feet are out wide, he's pulling, Coach Briggs is pulling nice and high, elbows are out. And then after that, you'll have the single arm presses. There you go. Nice, you guys. And then from there, you switch sides, just like so. After that, strap it on like you're going to school. And after that, yep, nice, good, easy back squats with it. After he hits 15, ooh yeah, overhead, running for that sucker. That's pretty much it, right? For the Metcon prep, the deadlifts is just gonna be the same format as if he were to deadlift with the barbell, feet are in close, back nice and flat. After that, he'll have his good mornings, he'll wear it. There you go. Nice. Hinge at the hips, nice flat back. And then after that, we'll just get into squats, opening up those hips for a little bit more squats. And then from there, you have a 10-second backpack hold. Yeah. There you go. Just one for 10 seconds. Go switch sides. Good, guys. And then after all that is done, we'll have a nice good finisher of an active recovery. It'll be 4 rounds for quality. Just a 30-second controlled dead bug, 30-second bird dogs in that bear crawl position, and then 30 seconds of cat cows, all controlled. And then that last 30 seconds is just our rebound position. So those dead bugs, right? Coach Briggs, back is nice and flat. There's no hollow in between. Arms are straight, legs are straight. Notice how high they are. They're not close to the ground. They're nice and super high, and then the feet are flat. From there, opposite arm, opposite leg, going down. Nice super in control for that 30 seconds. After that, he'll go into his bird dogs, but we're gonna be into that bear crawl position. So knees are up, back nice and flat, and then he's gonna be going opposite leg, opposite arm, reaching out, just like so. Nice, right? And then from there, we'll go into those cat cows. Right, this time we'll be on all 4s, knees will be to the ground. Nice big arch in that back. He'll come down into that bend position, and then from there, just 30 seconds, nice and controlled. After that, we have our rebound position. Get your swole and flexi to end it out.